Okay, you guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to another fall Sunday reset. So today we are starting with these nails. They are looking terrible. So I'm trying out this new shop that's super close to me and I loved it. They had me sold instantly with the green chairs. If you know, you know, I'm obsessed with green. So went in and got my nails taken care of. They hooked me up with the drinks. My nail tech, her name was Kylie. She was so sweet. She had great conversation and she talked me into getting my natural nails done. I haven't had my natural nails since literally high school. So that was new and interesting, but they turned out really good. I think they look so clean and just simple and classy. And I really love that for me. I had 2 drinks. I had a Mai Tai. The Mai Tai wasn't that good. And I had a glass of champagne, hold the orange juice. I'm not a big mimosa girl, but I do love a glass of champagne. So it is finally fall here. The weather is like cold and gloomy and rainy and the leaves are starting to change, but I am enjoying a little bit of a break from the heat and humidity. So now that I'm home, I'm just going to get into kind of straightening up a little bit. I am clearing off the countertop and you guys, I'm so sad, but I had a lot more footage right here that, long story short, basically no longer exists. It got deleted, but I did some lemon water and I wanted to really just kind of encourage you guys to start off your day by making a visible display of water. So whether that be you get a canteen or some type of like water jug, or sometimes I even will just sit out a bunch of water bottles on the counter so that I can see it in front of me to just remind me, like every time I walk past, to just drink the water. So even though that's not in here, I still want to verbally just say that, prioritize drinking water. I did my flowers as you guys saw, and now I'm about to do this ice facial again. I'm trying to challenge myself to do it for 30 seconds. This is like super duper hard for me, but this has a lot of benefits. If you didn't see it in one of my other Sunday resets and one of my weekly vlogs, this is supposed to help eliminate puffiness, give a glow to your skin. It helps with irritation if you have any rashes or inflammation such as acne, and it's also supposed to be really beneficial for calming down any anxiety that you might have because it does something with like the fight or flight. So this is really good for you, and really I'm doing it more so for the skin benefits. Anytime I remove my false lashes, I try to take advantage of that by doing this. It was cold today, like I said, so I did put on my sweater because I'm just like, why would I dunk my head in ice cold water if it's already cold outside? But I need the benefits. My skin has been doing terrible. It's my fault I haven't been acting right, but I really need to just like shake back. So I try to get myself to do this. Ideally, you're supposed to try to keep your head submerged under the water for 30 seconds, but that is very close to impossible for me. So I just repeat my timer a couple of times and try to dunk my head as long as possible. I'm not gonna hold y'all though. This time it legit felt like a brain freeze for my entire face. So do with that what you will. I'm trying to touch up my eyebrows because they look real bad, you guys. Like I said, I haven't been acting right, haven't been really like keeping myself up. So I really needed this Sunday reset. I feel like just because like the weather's changing and it's the end of the year, you know, people just start to like lose their energy and momentum, and myself included. So really hoping that this reset would kind of give me exactly what I need. Like a reset, help me bounce back, help me to feel more creative and inspired, which is supposed to be another one of the benefits of the ice facial. So now I'm doing my dermaplaning, which really this isn't, I don't even know if it's actually dermaplaning. It's more so just like shaving my face, but haven't done that in a while. I felt like my skin was looking dull. And when you dermaplane, it's supposed to help all of your products that you use afterwards like set in more, so your skincare is more effective. Basically, you can use the same products, but you get better use out of them. And since I, again, have been lacking in that area, I felt like I need to do anything I can to give myself like my best chance. So I'm taking down this braid that I did earlier this week. I have not been wrapping it or sleeping with the bonnet on or protecting it when I get in the shower. So it is a mess. That's why I've just been wearing it in a bun. So I'm taking this down and I'm gonna just clean my hair, wash my face, do a face mask, do some new body products, and just kind of enjoy my shower and my me time. So we're gonna do that for a little bit. You guys can watch. I was so surprised because I blow dried my hair to do this ponytail just a little bit, and I feel like my hair is getting so long. You guys, if you've been here on this journey, then you know for a fact that we've had so much growth. But yeah, when I was washing it, I was so surprised to see like the length that it looked, because I just feel like I'm making a lot of progress. But yeah, let's go ahead and enjoy our shower, and I will check in with you guys afterwards. Okay, y'all, so I got some new shower products. I got this little exfoliating mitt. I went back and forth with like, do I want to get this? But I'm actually so happy that I did, because I'm feeling like I'm just experiencing like a little bit of extra dry skin right now. And after getting out the shower, I definitely felt so smooth and glowy. Went ahead and shaved because I really want to start getting back to doing my laser appointments. I've fallen off of that so bad, and if you have not lasered, like, I would definitely recommend it. I used to do it all the time, and I just stopped for no good reason. Like, I really, really want to go back and start doing it again. I'm using this Olay body conditioner. I am really, really enjoying this. You can see before I even rinse, like, how glowy it makes my skin look. And I'm just giving my hair a rinse from the deep conditioner, trying to revive, because it's just been in this little ponytail with all this gel and products on it. And I really love just taking my time in the shower these days, because it really is just me time, you know. It's just me unbothered, even though technically I'm bringing y'all in here with me right now. But I did so much stuff today, you guys, that I really wanted to unwind, but again, it didn't record. I did that TikTok couch cleaning hack that I really wanted you guys to see, and like so much other stuff, but whatever. I'll just have to do it again for you guys another week. And this is me trying to do my face mask in peace. But as you can see, both of my boys are coming to bother me in the bathroom. That's just what they do. That's just what they do. One comes, the other one follows. But I did a little face mask for my dry skin. And then for the star of the show, you guys, I have been obsessing over these TikTok mini apple pies. So I wanted to try it out. I've never made a pie before, but I really feel like it turned out super good. Something that you guys can learn from me, though, is, well, you'll see it in a second. I ended up breaking one of my cups trying to use it to make the crust or whatever. Don't do that. And also, as you guys know, I haven't been drinking like that, and I had some drinks for the first time in a little bit, and I was feeling them. And even though I know I didn't hurt myself, when I was watching this footage back, I was so scared like that I was going to cut myself, because like, what am I doing? But anyway, the apple pies turned out so good. Super duper simple. The recipe is like all over TikTok. All you have to type in is mini apple pies, but I'm just going to let you guys finish watching me make this. And, it was so bomb. I ended up making some more later because I smashed out. If you guys could smell it, like butter and cinnamon and apple, it's giving all the fall vibes necessary. This is the little TikTok in case anyone wants to check it out. Baking with Aaliyah _. That's her name. I followed her recipe, and it turned out delicious. So 10 out of 10. Let me know if you guys try it. And here goes my absolute cooking fail. This is the second cooking fail in a row, but I promise the stuff be turning out good, even though y'all see me struggle. It's just because I don't edit this out for y'all, because I want y'all to see what really be going on. So you're welcome. Okay, you guys, and that is it. They turned out so good. They aren't the prettiest, but I definitely, for one, tried to put too much filling inside of it and it oozed out a little bit. And two, I didn't have any parchment paper, so I baked it on foil, which was fine, but it definitely could have come out like cleaner and prettier, but so good. And what is apple pie without bluebell ice cream? I think this is my second bowl. I don't know if I recorded me eating both bowls, but I went back for this twice before I went and made some more, and literally like so good. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Happy Sunday. See you next week. Mwah.